Good afternoon everybody, welcome back to Marritt's Koi Pond. I thought I'd just show you how this solar is working on this pond. Got a nice bright sunny day today, look. Absolutely glorious, completely different contrast to yesterday. It was cold yesterday, windy, grey skies. Look at it today, absolutely stunning. What have we got on this pond? We have got obviously got UV on. We've obviously got the pond pump on, circulating the water. UV, pond pump circulating the water. Air pump driving the moving bed. Got air source heat pump that's running. And there we have a 200 watt solar panel on that shed roof with another 200 watt panel to go on there. Air source heat pump is running. You probably can't hear it because it is so quiet, but you can see all the plants rustling in front of it. So here we are in the filter house. Got the UV on in there, look. Pond pump is running. Solar panel on that shed roof is running. At the moment that is producing 101 watts. And on the house roof we've got a 3.4 kilowatt array, and at the moment she's producing 1.68 kilowatts. And here is another meter I use. This tells you what it's basically using. So you see there, you see this, don't know if you can see it, but there's a black, see that black bar? Whenever that black bar shows, that means you're now exporting back to the grid. So at the moment, I've got 115 watts going back to the grid. So the house, that filter, air source heat pump, everything connected to the mains in this house is for free. Not costing me anything. It's all on the solar. 132 watts being exported back to the grid, except it's not being exported to the grid because there's a box of tricks in the airing cupboard, which I'll show you in a minute. So that 134 watts is being diverted to the airing cupboard on a landing and is generating hot water. So not only is this house running for nothing today, there's 119 watts going to the airing cupboard, heating hot water. That's a box of tricks in the airing cupboard. I don't know if you can hear it. You can hear it whirring away. Which means I'm producing excess electric for what the house is using. And it gives me a 100 watt buffer. Anything above that 100 watt buffer, instead of going back to the grid, goes to this box. And on the top of that cylinder is what they call it, immersion heater. Yeah, immersion heater. So at the moment, the house is costing absolutely nothing. Air source heat pumps on, UV's on, air pumps on, pond pumps on. Did I mention air source heat pump? And that is sending excess electric to there, heating me hot water. Going back to this meter in the living room, it's quite handy actually, because you see them flashing lights on the left hand side. It's like a traffic light system. Green is go, which means I'm making excess electricity. Amber means that the house is just about using all the electric that the solar's generating, and red is I'm not making enough solar and it's taking power from the grid, which is flashing green there. And like I say, there is another 200 watt panel to go on that shed roof, which I haven't got round to doing it yet. And I've got a power station to go in there, so I might actually take this whole filter house directly off the grid and just wire it into this power station with a generator switch. Just switch it from the mains to the power station. Still in the thought process there. But the pond and the fish are doing well. I just wish these temperatures would warm up though, because I'm not running that air source heat pump full time. I'm only taking advantage of the solar panel. But when these days turn to full sun for the full 12 hours, and we've got really good temperatures at night, get this up to 24, start getting this growth feed in here. Oh, got wet. Well, just a quick one. Thank you for watching. If you did find it interesting, please hit that like thumb and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. And I'll catch you next time. So thank you for watching. Bye.